How to check flight status. You can check live flight status easily using your phone or computer, and here is a quick guide. So let's get started. First of all, go to google.com and type down flight tracker and hit enter to search for it. Then here you will get to see list of flight tracker available. Simply tap on any one of them. Then here all you have to do is type your flight number. Example EK215 or Indigo 6E251. I do not have any right now, so I am just randomly clicking on one. Google will show live flight status, departure and arrival time, delay info, terminal and gate details as well. So make sure that you enter the correct flight number in order to do so. Now here you can simply zoom in and tap on the flight number you are looking for as well, and you will get to see the whole ticket about it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.